What homeowners in Alabama should know about heat pumps. Common myths. Heat pumps are becoming popular in Alabama homes. Many homeowners have questions and worries about them. Some ideas about heat pumps are not true. These myths can stop people from choosing a heat pump. Knowing the facts helps make the right choice. Let's clear up some common myths about heat pumps. Debunking efficiency myths. Some think heat pumps do not work well in cold weather. This is not true. Heat pumps can still heat homes in Alabama winters. They use less energy than traditional heaters. This saves money on electric bills. Heat pumps also cool homes in summer. They do both jobs efficiently all year. Addressing cost concerns. Many believe heat pumps are too costly to buy and install. The upfront price can be higher than other systems, but heat pumps lower energy bills over time. This balance helps recover the initial cost. There are also rebates and incentives in Alabama. These reduce the cost further. Heat pumps last many years with proper care. Enjoying this video from HelloTroubleshooting? Subscribe to our channel for practical fixes, helpful guides, and expert troubleshooting tips. Hit the subscribe button and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest problem-solving videos. Your support helps HelloTroubleshooting grow and bring you even more reliable solutions every week.